Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how I ink and painted these cute little bookmarks, and for that I did use this Canson Graduate watercolor paper. This is A4 size, 240 grams or 117 pounds. Also I used watercolors Sennelier and colors simply red, one dyek brown, yellow ochre and sunburnt umber. For the brushes, I used this Dainayw number 1 mop brush, Raphael a number 8 round brush, and this Altenew number 3 round detail brush. For the ink pens, I use Micron 05 and 01. So first, I did start with wetting the paper, my bookmarks thoroughly, and then picked up a little bit of the yellow ochre and painted in the first layer. Adding a little bit of the burnt umber at the bottom, simply red on the other side, and just a couple of splatters. A little bit of the one dyek brown. Also a few splatters with that. First I want to paint in the background, particularly at the bottom. I do want to keep that upper part a little bit lighter. Some splatters with yellow ochre. One dyek brown. Simply red. So just have fun and do your background the way you like it. I left a little bit of paint from the sides because it was just piling up there, and then dried my papers. After it dries, with this little bit smaller brush, I'm painting in my florals. First starting with yellow ochre and then adding some one dyek brown. Very simply, I'm painting a teardrop shapes all the way down, and then with simply red and the smaller brush I'm just adding some dots, details for those smaller florals. On the other side I'm going to paint in the leaf with yellow ochre and then adding a little bit of the burnt umber and one dyek brown on top, finishing it off with again yellow ochre, and with simply red I'm gonna paint in flowers, some details with yellow ochre and one dyek brown, and again I'm gonna dry it. And now that it's dry, I'm gonna add the ink, first starting with 05 because I wanted my lines to be a little bit thicker for the stems, and then just moving on to 01 for thinner lines and just doing some details. And if you do guys like inking in watercolors or want to learn inking in watercolors, I am super excited to let you know that this year I will be also doing the Inktober on my Patreon. So here you will be able to find a few inserts in those videos, but real-time tutorials with step-by-step instructions will be on my Patreon. We will be inking and painting fairy houses, so something super exciting, I believe. And as long as you're a member on my Patreon, you can have the access to the collection, or you can just purchase the entire Inktober collection and have the lifetime access. At the moment, I'm running an early bird sale, so until the end of September, and just make sure to check it out. If you're still not sure, well, you can always join in as my free Patreon, see what's going on, and then later on decide. For the other side, I'm gonna go around the leaf, add a couple of stems, and embellishments. At the end, I did add a couple of splatters with yellow ochre, with red, with some brown, dried it, and then just wrote in the text. On the first one, I'm gonna write in Hello Autumn, and on the other one, Fall Vibes. And with that, we are done. As simple as that. They're super, super cute. I just really love them. Quite small, but super cute. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today, for painting with me or just watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here. And remember, check out my Patreon for the Inktober this year. It's going to be super fun. So thank you so much for watching this, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!